This is like the one symposium that I attend all the time, like when it's open. I think this is in person probably be the 5th time that I attend a symposium. We're very fortunate to be among colleagues who are who share the same passion about palliative care.
I'm Daryl Owens, and I do a lot of grief work, and these two speakers were phenomenal on the research they've been doing, and it's just been incredibly helpful, and they did just a nice job, and it really solidified kind of what I've seen in practice around COVID.
So I think this is my 4th or 5th conference. I haven't kept track over the years. It is my favorite professional conference, and I say that every time I come. It just gets reinforced. This year was phenomenal.